are at the Tyranny Garden, and this is Dana Tyranny. We've just finished planting a few days ago. It's beautiful. All beautiful hellebores and these beautiful windmill palms. This is actually phase 3 of the garden. Well, this is a brand new phase for sure. We started with a shade garden because she had beautiful, well, actually not so beautiful.
It was a wooded lot.
It was all shaded. We had a huge maple tree and then an evergreen over here, and the whole back was all forest and a chain link fence that you could see through. So I designed a shade garden. And then the forest fell down. Well, it got taken away.
They're developing that
That lot
housing.
back there. Oh, they are? Oh, interesting. And so then it became a lot of sun back here. So then we designed a part sun, part shade garden. And then they just took the trees down. So now we have a full sun garden, which is my favorite.
Yes.
So look at these gorgeous palms. I just love them.
I love
What
the
a great
palms.
idea we had. Oh my gosh.
They match the front too.
Yes, and they match the front. So you're probably surprised that palms can grow so beautifully in the Northwest. These are windmill palms, not the palms that you see in Southern California, which are king palms that like that hot sun. Believe it or not, these windmill palms like shade to part shade. But as you go farther north, they are fine for full sun. So that's fine. That's perfect for us here in the Pacific Northwest. They are hardy to 10 degrees here with short drops to 0 degrees. But I'd say when you first, well, like this year, they just got planted, I would wrap them in burlap, just the first 1, maybe 2 years, but the first year for sure. This coming winter, next winter, and wrap these, tie these up, because the crown is the most susceptible to frost. And then I'd say after that, we'll be okay up here. Yeah, I only wrap mine with burlap because I just planted a palm in my own garden last year, and it's fine. Of course, we had a mild winter.
My 3 in the front have been great for
and
4
you didn't
years.
wrap, and you didn't wrap
No,
anything.
We've never wrapped
You've never
anything.
wrapped them. Yeah, very hardy here.
Yeah.
So
And
I
they
love
got
that.
ice on them. And they're
had
still
ice
good.
on them. Oh wow.
I think this is going to look good. This is
yeah.
going to look better.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because this one never really took off, this area. We'll
Probably
see.
because of the big tree.
Yeah, I think so. The only thing that we had before are the roses and these grasses.
The roses and we split these grasses.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, they were
Yeah,
huge.
huge.
So ginger called ginger love.
Ginger love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, but I think they're moved.
Yeah.
They're not in the same positions.
No,
'cause
no,
we-
it looks
okay.
really much better. And I think just the one light there is good, the spot on that tree.
Really happy about the tree here.
I think Tom
Yes,
would.
be-
Yes, I'm
yes.
glad we kept it.
Yes, because I didn't like seeing the fence before you went to the back. It was on that side. I thought
Yes.
we need something like right in here.
So this worked out well.
Yes,
And
really well.
Right.
What's going to happen is if it's not down a little bit lower, the new stuff comes out, and then you're going to see the brown.
All the brown. That
Right.
makes sense.
So, do you know that, like, people always think that to have palms, it's like a tropical garden? It is actually, in England, they have a lot of palms in England. So you can have it looks great in English gardens, modern gardens, which yours is kind of modern too, Northwest modern. Of course, tropical and Mediterranean. So it satisfies all those. and they're so easy to care for. You
They
know,
are.
the big
That's good.
things, you know, the fronds come off and, you know, they look shabby. These just got planted 2 days ago.
And they look great in the winter.
And they look great in the winter because
All
we're
year
actually
round.
in the winter.
Right.
We're late winter right now.
What month are we in?
March.
Okay.
About
Early March.
Early March, yeah.
Okay.
So, wonderful. So I can't wait to see this, like, you know, really take off. That'll be so fun.
I love looking at paradise, so I love.
Oh, that's
having
right.
These
Yes.
5 palms back here.
And what
And-
was your reason for, what was your thing you told me a long time
we
ago?
moved from a river view in downtown Portland to a house, and the trade-off was to have a beautiful garden to look at. And now I have it with this, something peaceful that makes me happy when I look out from
Oh,
the kitchen,
yeah.
which I look directly onto
Yeah.
this
Oh,
backyard.
nice. God, I feel for this.
Thank you, Holly.
Thank you. I'm glad you're happy.
I'm very happy.
Cool. Okay. Come visit us at thewhitepear.com.